So we have a special guest in the building right now.
Minutes, man.
She go by the name of Pretty P. And, you know,
Okay. Well, I'm Pretty P. Hello, everybody.
Say it again.
Pretty P.
It sounded like creepy the first time you said it.
oh shit.
Pretty P.
What's the P stand for?
Portia. Pretty Portia.
Oh, okay.
Just
You said,
a
oh.
I wish she wouldn't have said that.
Yeah,
Because I was definitely about to fill in the blank.
Northwest.
Northwest all
Swag.
day.
I dig.
I model. You can catch me everywhere.
Where's
Deal.
everywhere?
Where's everywhere?
Everywhere.
You're not on my phone.
You're right. I'm not on your phone.
That's your ass.
Where you can find me.
Yes. Where can we find you?
Pretty much, I'm a Twitter addict. You
Mhm.
can find me.
How many
on
followers you
Twitter.
got?
Who knows? Right now I have probably about 2,300.
Oh,
Maybe.
okay. All right.
How many people you following?
I'm following all of them back.
Okay.
Oh,
What's your measurements?
What are my measurements?
Yeah.
That's a good question. 34, 24, 36 or 37.
Okay.
The first number is
And
the
that means
breast.
what?
The second number is the waist.
Waist.
The third number is the butt.
All right.
Shame on you for not knowing that.
The thighs.
Yeah, ain't you like 45?
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
Ooh.
That's what she said.
Okay. Let me think. The first time I got high was actually on my birthday. And I was with, like, I had to be in 8th grade.
Shit.
Yeah,
See?
yeah.
That's how we do down here in the DMV. We,
Yeah,
we
we get
start
high
early.
early.
Yeah.
Yeah. 8th grade
can't
on my
get it.
birthday.
Especially
And I
if you in the
think
city.
what happened, I ended up cussing out one of my friends, and I was like, "You don't really fuck with me, fuck you, bitch." Like we on the 70 bus, 70 bus, you know?
Yo, the 70 be live.
the 70 bus.
If you want to
Like,
watch crackheads in action, get on the 70.
Yeah.
The 70
No
or any
doubt.
X bus if you in DC.
Man, you need to go
No doubt.
film that shit.
But yeah, that's what happened. I think I ended up just cussing her out, and then that was my birthday. That was the first time I got high. The first time.
So were you friends?